Hi, I'm Paul with RackAttack.com, here to show you the Yakima Offgrid Rooftop Cargo Basket in medium. This basket measures 44 inches in length and 40 inches in width. This is a heavy-duty basket with 165-pound load carrying capacity. It is constructed of tubular and plate steel with a tough black powder-coated finish. There are a number of special features, including these removable and adjustable crossbars, which can support a wide range of different accessories that Yakima offers to transport bikes and kayaks and other gear. You have an integrated fairing, which is removable. However, the fairing can help to reduce wind noise and wind drag. You also have variable adjust mounting hardware, which is lockable. And I'll go over these features in detail, starting with this mounting hardware. Let's take a close-up look at how the hardware functions. So on the underside of the rack, you'll notice we have the ridges in this lower support bar. So what that does in combination with this mounting hardware, so it allows for the variable adjustment and positioning to best match up with where your crossbars are on your roof rack. And you have the steel band which wraps underneath your crossbar. There is rubber to be protective to the bar on the band as well as on the bottom portion of the hardware. You have this cam closure which connects on the top side and shuts, and we'll look at that in a moment. But here you see when the cam is closed, the hardware holds its position on the ridges and also grips to the bar. Now let's take a look at the top side so you can see the function of that. Okay, so here on the top side, you can see the cam. You have a sliding lock mechanism which prevents the cam from opening. Here in the open position, we can release that cam and disconnect it from the top side, as we did a moment ago. And now you can see there's a gray fine-tuning adjustment, and that will give you the perfect amount of tension against your crossbar. So when you find that tension, you can reconnect the cam, and then this slider will engage against the lever and prevent the cam from opening. Now you have the option to remove this plastic plug and replace it with a Yakima SKS lock core. These lock cores are sold separately in match sets so that you can lock up all 4 of your locks on the basket. However, many find that just 2 is sufficient for security. Okay, and then also from a security standpoint, the integrated crossbars that we mentioned a moment ago have special fasteners which require a tool that's included, which is a hollow point hex tool, in order to install, adjust, or remove these crossbars. Now the crossbars themselves are 1 1/8" diameter, which is the same as the Yakima RoundBar Classics. So that allows you to attach the majority of those compatible Yakima accessories directly to the bar. Also, you'll see here we have the red coupling, and that red coupling is where you would detach the 2 halves, and that allows you to insert the 18-inch extension, which is sold separately, in order to provide even more capacity lengthwise. Also on the underside, you have the coupling in the middle, and that's also required to be disconnected if you choose to add the extension. Okay, so now on the screen behind us, we have some of the accessories that are optional for this basket, including the medium stretch net, which can help to position items. You have the Top Grip OG, which can carry shovels or axes up to 9 pounds. And here is the extension. You can see the red couplings with the 18-inch extension in between. Here are the SKS lock cores that we showed a moment ago, offered it separately in mat sets. And then this is a unique product which allows for the hardware to, instead of wrapping around the bar, to be connected into the top side of a Yakima JetStream load bar for a very clean, integrated method of attachment. Also, that was on the screen a moment ago, was a spare tire carrier that's also compatible with this. And those are all the main features and accessories of the Yakima Offgrid Medium Rooftop Cargo Basket. This product and the full line of Yakima products are available at rackattack.com. Please see the link in the video description for all your buying options. If you have any questions or comments about this particular product, feel free to leave those in the comment section below. And consider subscribing to our YouTube channel. We have over 2,000 rack-related videos, and we upload new videos weekly. That's all for this one, and thanks for watching.